How to fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. These can be due to the overload to your CPU. Now to fix this issue, what you can do is in the search bar at the bottom, search for Task Manager. Double click on it. So in the Task Manager, you can view any application that is consuming most of your CPU and your memory. As you can see in my background, there are currently two of the application that are running. You can locate the one that is consuming the most. In that case, you can just right click on it, then tap on End Task. This will help you to minimize the CPU use as well as the memory use, as you can see right here. Now, once you do this process, what next is you can check on Device Manager. From the Device Manager, locate the display adapters. From here, right-click on your adapter and click on Update Driver. Tap on Search Automatic, and if you find any update, make sure to do so. After this, you need to restart your PC, then you can quite easily play your Valorant without crash. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.